First open Start and type Troubleshoot. Click on Additional Troubleshooter. Click on Playing Audio. Click on Run as Troubleshoot. If it didn't work, go to Start and type Device Manager. Right-click your audio device and select Update Driver. Press it. Select High Definition Audio and press Next. If it didn't work, go to Start and type Device Manager. Right-click your audio device and click Uninstall. Now your driver should be installed. If it did not work, go to Start and type Control Panel. Press Hardware and Sound. Press Sound. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Go to Advanced tab. Change until you hear sound. If it didn't work, open Start and type Device Manager. Right-click and select Update Driver. If it didn't work, open Start and type Control Panel. Right-click it and select Properties. Go to Enhancement tab. Select Disable All Enhancement.